What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Forex that is Zambia's finest, and today is day 5 of the robot trading challenge. So we're going to see how it performed. This was on day 4, and now today is day 5, which means it's going to be the 23rd to the 24th of June, and then we're going to see how much it made on that day. So on this day, it made 374.880. So now if we are to see how much it's made in total, we're going to start from the 19th of June to 24th, and now we can see it has made a total profit of 1,341 rands in 5 days, which is not bad, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue seeing how it does. And of course, if you're not following me, ensure that you follow me so that you are updated on this journey.